Canoo Inc. was down 7.16% during regular trading hours on Friday and closed Friday regular trading at $4.28. In the after hours, the stock dropped a further 1.64%, closing the week at $4.21. So the big news about Canoo is that Walmart has chosen this company for delivery services, and they have placed a very solid order, and amongst other things, they also have a non-competition clause. So Canoo cannot sell to other companies like Amazon, so it's quite restrictive. But the good news is that Walmart is a behemoth with thousands and thousands of stores all over the United States and other countries, and if they have chosen Canoo, it means they've done some due diligence and they like the product, they think it's solid, and they think it's going to fulfill their last mile delivery needs. So that sent the stock of Canoo trending much higher, because that occurred on Monday, and then the news came out early Tuesday, and you can see how the stock rose from about $2.37 all the way up to $4.63 on Tuesday last week. From there, the stock has just kept on trending higher. And the other news that came was that the US military also has expressed interest in one of Canoo's products, and they are actually going to start evaluating the product for its suitability to be deployed in combat environment and other military applications. So quite a great week for Canoo, and it's very customary that when stocks run up very high like this, people start taking profits, and you can see how it's evident here. After the stock ran up on Tuesday, you can see people woke up and started taking profits, and the stock trended downward, and then on Wednesday, by Thursday it was trending upwards once more, and from Thursday it peaked at about $4.92, and then from there it started going downward. So I fully expect that from next week, the stock will start appreciating. Walmart is not a company that doesn't do due diligence. You can tell even from the products that they sell. They have a certain minimum requirement, and so if they are going to sign a deal with Canoo, I know they have done very, very extensive testing in the background, and that those have proven to be conclusive. So that is the deal with Canoo. Well, over the next couple of weeks, I fully expect this stock to keep going upward, and it wouldn't be out of place to see this easily reach $20-30. Why? Because Walmart is involved. Walmart is a giant, and just by them choosing Canoo, it gives Canoo the capability to go out and even do more R&D on their product, improving it with every new iteration that comes out. So it's a very, very huge support that they are getting by penning this deal with Walmart Inc. Finally, so my thoughts for the short and midterm, I think that the stock will keep appreciating, and it wouldn't be out of place at all to see this going up to about the $30 mark. And furthermore, if this finally gets the US military contract, that is usually huge and lasts many years, So it also gets them their foot into the defense industry. So other countries with which the U.S. military and the U.S. Defense Department has agreements, when they talk about military aid, it's not only weapons. Usually at times you get things like vehicles and other stuff that can be used by the militaries of foreign countries that are friendly to the United States to defend themselves. So that opens up another huge market for Canoo if this vehicle gets selected by the US military. So the company still has a lot of potential and a lot of headroom, and I think with the drop of 7%, it's just mostly people taking some of their wins and looking for elsewhere to invest the money. Otherwise, I think there's still a lot of potential with Canoo Inc. Thank you for your time. I hope you're having a wonderful summer weekend. I will catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully that will be on Monday. Bye now.